Are you interested in innovative B2B marketing trends for your business? Keep on watching to find out all the details in this edition of the Digital Marketing Postcard. Hello, I'm Victoria Chemko, founder of Umami Marketing. While there are many tried and true methods for B2B marketing, it's important to keep in mind out-of-the-box and innovative marketing trends to test them out. It's becoming more and more difficult to stand out from all of the competition, and any edge that you can get by trying other options will be key to expanding awareness of your brand. So to help get your creative juices flowing, here are 5 innovative B2B marketing trends to keep in mind for 2019. 1. A B2B podcast. As of April 2019, there are over 29 million podcast episodes in existence, and these numbers are growing fast. In the US alone, 51% of the population has listened to a podcast. So, does thought leadership play a key role in your content marketing strategy? If it does, perhaps it makes sense to create a scheduled, recurring podcast that includes experts in your industry, both within your company and through your customer network, to share their stories and help you reach a new audience. As podcasts are listened to when people are cooking dinner, driving cars during their commute, or going for a walk or a run or working out, they can be absorbed in sizable chunks during otherwise idle time, so it's good to get on there before you've got too many podcasts in the mix. 2. An Alexa skill flash briefing. If you're looking to get in when it comes to voice search, a great way to do this is by creating an Alexa skill. The platform isn't yet inundated with various skills on offer, and thus it could be a good way to get ahead of the competition and create more awareness for your brand. So for example, if your business offers a hotel property management system, perhaps it makes sense to produce a daily flash briefing targeting hotel owners with specific and related news in the hospitality industry or hotel-related service tips. Get your prospects listening to your thought leadership, and it will keep your business top of mind. 3. Account-based marketing. Also known as key account marketing, account-based marketing, or ABM, targets companies versus individual personas. So in a more complex B2B sale, this allows for businesses to market to multiple people within a single prospect company with more relevancy. So this allows you to flip around the traditional buyer's funnel so that you identify the appropriate target companies instead, and then expand your engagement within that specific company. 4. Artificial intelligence. Many businesses are now successful using AI in the form of chatbots as an important customer touchpoint for servicing client needs and answering questions. AI also plays a key role in programmatic advertising, which helps with ad buying techniques and connecting buyers and publishers with more efficiency and relevancy. It also allows important data sets to be pulled out via machine learning to help form insights into future content strategy that'll resonate with target buyer personas. And although this form of AI isn't yet sophisticated enough to actually do the work of using that information to create the content strategy itself, it'll continue to play a larger role over time as we improve how to use all of that data and also have more resources to convert it into actual content strategies. 5. Instagram storytelling. There's now the ability to create your own filters in Instagram stories. This provides an opportunity for B2B businesses to establish a visual brand identity regardless of the fact that they don't have actual physical products. As there's also the option to create links and calls to action, this is another great avenue for lead generation that didn't exist before, providing a platform for all sorts of businesses to become more and more creative. And because you can have multiple pieces of connected content, companies now have the opportunity to create living buyer funnels that lead to a conversion all in one place. And beyond that, since you can showcase a more real and authentic side of your business, Instagram's a suitable place where thought leadership and a behind-the-scenes view is more relevant to those watching. This leads to the ability to build more trust through compelling storytelling, as long as the target audience of your brand is directed towards younger audiences or others already present on the platform. So to summarize, 5 innovative B2B marketing trends for 2019 include 1. B2B podcasts, 2. Alexa skill flash briefings, 3. Account-based marketing, 4. Artificial intelligence, and 5. Instagram storytelling. And now that you know more about innovative trends for 2019, please check out our recent blog post covering more useful inbound marketing tips. And if you like this video, subscribe to the Umami Marketing YouTube channel and our monthly digital marketing postcard. I'll be back again in June to answer more of your questions, so I'll see you then. Take care.